Okay, so our question says, based on the data table below, what is the rate of change in rock temperature from 2:10 to 2:13 p.m.? So what our question is asking us is to look at this table here, which tells us the temperature of a rock in degrees Celsius at each time throughout the afternoon. Okay, so it asks us to look at from 2:10 to 2:13. Okay, so we're going to look at this data right here on our table. Alright, and so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for a formula. Okay, so we're looking for the formula for rate of change, which if you don't remember, you don't have to memorize because it's right here on our reference table under equations. It says rate of change equals change in value divided by time. Okay, so the first thing we're going to write down is our variables. Okay, so we have to know our change in value. And we have to know our time. Okay, and then we plug those in using our data table. Alright, so our change in value is how many degrees Celsius did the rock temperature change. So we look for our largest number, which in this case is 40 degrees Celsius. And then we look for our smallest number, which is 30 degrees Celsius. And we subtract. And we end up with a change in value of 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then our time is asking us how long did it take for that temperature change to occur. So from 2:10 to 2:13 was 1, 2, 3 minutes. Okay, so then we are going to write down our formula, which is rate of change equals change in value divided by time, which again, if we don't know, we can look for in our reference table on the first page under the equations box, and then we can fill things in. So I'm going to abbreviate ROC for rate of change. Our change in value is 10 degrees Celsius. Our time was 3 minutes. And then we just plug that in the calculator. 10 divided by 3, which equals 3.3 repeating, but we record to the nearest tenth, right, which means 1 decimal place. We have a 3. Our second number is a 3, which means our 3 stays the same. It does not round up. So our rate of change is going to be 3.3, and our units are going to be degrees Celsius per minute. Okay, so basically what that's telling us is that for each minute the temperature was recorded from that time period, the temperature of the rock changed 3.3 degrees Celsius.